Apakah kalian tahu apa yang akan terjadi jika rantai api supra new yang rusak dibiarkan terlalu lama, dan kerusakan apa yang bisa ditimbulkan dari rantai api yang telah rusak ini? Kalian harus saksikan video ini sampai selesai supaya tahu dan tidak gagal paham tentang apa akibat ketika rantai api yang telah rusak tidak dilakukan penggantian unit. Dan pada video ini kalian juga dapat belajar bagaimana cara mengeluarkan atau mengganti spare part rantai api itu sendiri, karena di sini kita akan perlihatkan cara membongkar, membuka, dan menggantinya. Jadi kalau kalian ingin mengerjakannya sendiri, tinggal siapkan alatnya dan kalian tidak perlu lagi datang ke bengkel, hanya cukup membeli spare part dan mengerjakannya sendiri di rumah.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Dan ini adalah akibat dari rantai api yang rusak dan tidak mengalami perbaikan. Roll pada penekan rantai api itu akan termakan, dan jika ini terus berlanjut, yang lain juga akan menjadi korban.
Fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Dan ternyata roll yang rusak itu teman-teman telah dibiarkan lama, sehingga tuas penopang daripada roll itu pun ikut kemakan, dan kita juga harus melakukan penggantian unit terhadap tuasnya teman-teman, karena jika tidak kita tidak bisa memasang roll pengganti untuk menggantikan unit yang rusak itu tadi.
As as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Dan yang paling penting di sini adalah ketika kita melakukan proses pemasangan rantai api, perhatikan top pada piston dengan cara memperhatikan pin magnet. Usahakan posisi pin magnet sejajar dengan dua baut timing yang ada di noken as.
I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Nah teman-teman, seperti inilah proses penggantian unit rantai api atau spare part rantai api. Jika ada yang membuat teman-teman bingung dan kurang paham, silakan teman-teman bertanya di kolom komentar dan kami akan membantu teman-teman dengan sepenuh hati. Dan sampai ketemu lagi di video-video kami berikutnya.